Okay. 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 Okay.
Howdy, Vern. You got the microphone on it?
Yeah, the microphone's on.
Okay.
Really like the car show, and we come from Lancaster, the desert, but we always look forward to coming up here, and we enjoy the museum here and the cars. It's really neat.
Yeah, it's a 350 two-port injected from an 87 Corvette.
Oh, that sounds good.
Not really. It has its days.
Well, this is my 34 replica built by Al Moore in Oregon in 1989. Bought it in 1998, and I have enjoyed it for almost 20 years. And I'm hoping that someday some nice person who wants to have a wonderful car will come and buy that thing.
Tell us about your Porsche replica.
It's 1600cc built by JP Motorsports in North Hollywood. Had the car now for, 18 years. It's my garage queen. Never seen a drop of rain. Weekend car. Fun to drive, especially